Hello, my name is Macarena Bazan and I am an associate at Gonzalo Law. We have offices both in Cleveland, Ohio and in Gainesville, Florida. Today, we wanted to talk a little bit about the importance of having a designated work area. Having a designated work area will allow you to declutter the space around you. By doing so, you're not only able to stay organized, but also focused during your work time. Additionally, having a designated work area allows you to have the proper lighting for work. With proper lighting, your eyes will not be tired and you'll be able to stay motivated. Finally, a designated work area will allow you to allocate different spaces to different activities. For example, working from your bed is not beneficial, as it will mix the activities of sleeping and working. This would in turn affect your productivity during your work time. We hope these tips help. Thank you so much for watching.